Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pauly Plays Monster Train. I'm going to try to not die in this one. What I've been thinking is we go 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. First one, second one, first one, third one, fourth one. Until we start sussing out a bit of momentum again. And then if all else fails, we can just go with Umbra and Melting's overpowered champions. And then we could probably get out of there with a win quite easily. But I'm enjoying learning the different combinations a lot. When you summon a second unit on the turn, gain 3 energy. How often will we be doing that? Well, the first 3 rounds we'll be doing it. You know what? Honestly, 35 damage on the pyre at the start is monumental. I'm gonna take this guy again. I like this guy, okay? Do I have anything? Oh, I didn't pour myself some water. Unfortunate. Yeah, hit me with that. Top floor's gonna suck, but meh. Okay, so Pyre's gonna take a ton of damage from these guys. Doesn't matter where I play the champion's gonna take a ton of damage. So let's let the Pyre take some damage. If we do that and this, the champion should get a lost hit. Nah, that's not too bad. Okay, so my goal with this one is get one of the tanky regen cards. Those are very important. I need an AoE up here, that's why I don't want an AoE down here. Or I can tank down here and then AoE up here. How much armor does the champion have now? 18. Still not enough. 5 damage applied to armor. Oh yeah, that's how I killed my champion in one of our episodes. I just had the most hardcore PTSD from that. That was insane. Okay, we need a glimmer, please. Thank you. Alright, so the first boss fight went down without a hitch, really. We did turn on the challenge as well, so that's a pretty good win. Pretty good win. Pretty good one. Apply Rage 8. Wait, did they make this card strong? Has it always been 8? Don't recall. Okay, we got a lot of the buffing cards, but we need a second unit. Hopefully something beefy. Something high damage. Either of you. I don't like either of you. Is this damage? No, this is rage. Reroll for damage? It's a waste of money. I'll reroll for damage. Ooh. Quick is pretty good. But in all honesty, if this thing doesn't have 13 damage, it's never going to get its slay triggers, which means it's never actually going to accomplish anything. It's unfortunate, but I would have loved to have given it... No, because our champion needs to get hit to get that starting momentum. I don't think that'll work out very well for us. Yeah, that and then this over here, just to help him not get his butt kicked as badly, you know. And then can do that for the money. And then we can just drop the regen on here as well, just to keep him healthy. You're dying to a train stud, which is embarrassing. Embarrassing. You know what? Because the boss is gonna show up. Grab some rage and have an extra little body on the front line. How's that? Okay, so pardon me. So we've had a decent start to. Did I not? No, I did not turn on the trial. We've had a decent start to this one so far. I really want to play with ascends and things like that more often. This for target damage. No, let's rather go for steel enhancer. To help keep our units healthy. Especially if we can get a holdover double stack going on that. Come on. Thank you, a big unit. That's all I wanted. No, that's a pretty decent grab. Now, if only we had a unit to put this multi-strike on. But alas, we don't. Let's see what we get here. Ooh. Which one? Hit me with the Umbra draft pick. Deal 30x damage to the front enemy units. Now this can come in handy. I don't want to take Stygian because I don't want it to be some card that doesn't fit in the deck, and the same for whatever was above Stygian. Melting. So I don't want to get like 3 burnout prompts or something like that. And the explosions are going off twice, so this is going to be a pretty tough one to survive. Okay, we did start with a glimmer. That's a very good start. Thorned hollow bottom floor. Champion top floor? It's a bit of a weird start, and our champion's not going to ramp up because of this, but hopefully this combination on the bottom floor can keep us going quite nicely. Oh, okay, our champion's dead. I thought he summoned the bomb on the middle floor. Man, I'm so tired of myself in this game. Deal 38 damage to the front enemy. All those guys are dying. So, you know, I might as well do this. Then no one makes it to the pyre. I need bigger heals for this bottom floor right now. Train stood in the middle just to cause some interference, some delay. This should not actually make much of a difference. Okay, I was completely incorrect. Can't die to Dauntless. Come on, that'll be an embarrassment. That'll literally make me quit the game. Yeah, we're dying to Dauntless. And with Dauntless, I mean Deadless. Holy poopanoli. That is disgusting. That is disgusting. Sorry, there's money going off my account. Debit orders at the end of the month, and I'm just like, what is this one for? Ooh, what is this one for? It's a very exciting game. I'm gonna have a bit of fun with this one now. Right, on friendly units adds an additional 3 per stack. You know, hit me with the energy. I don't feel the capacity is necessary right now. Although having a 3-3 or a 3-2-1 on a floor is nice. Give me that other guy. No. Yes, I like this guy, but this isn't the guy I want. This is not the guy I was looking for. Fine. Well, wing clippings is really good. Slay gain armor, revenge gain 2, slay plus 10 damage. It's pretty decent. But let's stick to this one. Yeah, I really don't know what the best and worst Hellhorned champions are. At the end of the battle, enemy interfere on each floor. What? Ooh. That just snuck up on me. At the start of the battle, enemies appear on each floor. Bring it. Bring it, Brittany. I don't care, I'll fight you. I'll fight you. So the reason I said, okay, cool, I'll fight you, was because I assumed I would draw my Spike Bud on this one. I really assumed I would draw the Spike Buddy on this one. I did not draw the Spike Buddy on the first turn, so color me disappointed. You'll survive, you'll be fine. Can't get to the collector for the first time. It's a sucky one. Get healthier. That's balling out of control. All according to plan. It started balling out of control a bit too late though. Deal 5 damage, gain 20 armor. Don't kill your own unit with because you got Dante's friggin' cloak. Are we dying? No, we're not dying yet. Not yet. We're still kicking. Got 4 pyro HP. I'm telling you, the middle floor is working how I hoped it would. Some serious damage on our champion. Good lord. Okay. Well, we're definitely going to the side that has healing. I can promise you that. I need healing. I do like Bramble Dash, but I need healing. I need healing. Oh, thank the Lord. I thought there wasn't healing. I was about to be pretty sad. Summon abilities trigger an additional time and start off with a random imp in your hand. Why not? Let's go. Should I? No. Let's just thicken up the deck. Just have the fattest deck known to humankind. Random. No. You don't do enough damage for that. And I'd love to do the memory, but I don't think it's going to work. Oh, and it's you guys. So what you're actually telling me is I'm just playing nothing on the bottom floor. Oh, no, we can play this guy. No, we can't play this guy. Save him? Yeah, there we go. And that. And just cause. Alright, give me my cards, give me my cards. You know what I want, Gabe, you know what I want. Don't pretend like you don't. Give me a Power Chomper energy. You're gonna die. 2 of you are dying, 1's moving up, and then the trans dude should be able to take care of you. I'd like to pop this down here, get some form of thorns going, so. Kill you so you don't even go up. And the trans dudes, can I use one to tank somewhere? No. I want to leave the top floor open so we can play some imps there. What's our imp? See, like this. That honestly sounded like that imp said WTF. Not gonna lie. Also, you can't actually play anywhere. Okay, I'm feeling the need for capacity, but feeling the need for capacity the boss fight before you can choose capacity again doesn't strike me as the worst time to be feeding that need. This is a problem though. That guy's gonna get to our pyre. And there really is nothing I can do about it. I'm quite glad that this guy's finally dying. You know what? Give me with that. It's a really good item card thing. Okay, 6 HP. We are living on the edge today. Living on the edge of my life. Trying not to go where I've been. I'm living on the edge of my life. With you as my... I don't remember the lyrics. Which should surprise no one. I would like for you to die. And I can, in fact, kill you. So that I could do this. And then I can do this. Wait a minute, how... Sweep! Man, I hate the sweep boss so much. Is there a way to murder mine people again? No. Well, boss is dead. You just can't deal with 70, 80 armor and 100 and something damage. Nope. Because we're getting the random imps every turn, I don't think it's necessary. Awake though is pretty good. And I want the pie HP. Hit me with that pie HP. We are beholden to the pyro HP side. Yeah. Don't really like it, but I don't dislike it either. You know, let's move some cards. I've got so much money. Get me rid of these boys. I don't want these boys on my deck anymore. Oh no, that card's fine. Yeah, we got quite a lot of removing to do actually, but hey, we're down to 29. 29's not bad. I've seen worse. We are progressing slightly. Oh, 26 HP on a foul fight. Phew. Oh, it's the one that... Oh, no. Don't like where we've ended up, ladies and germs. Okay, I can get the tanks out. And then my champion. Oh, but Awake's gonna go through the cycle before I can actually play it. This is nice. This is nice. And then no one's dying here. No one's dying here. Get the brute out here. How are we looking now? So we have to play this. It's really strong him. Oh lordy. I feel like I'm just performing a juggling act here. 6 and 6 is 12. We can get there. We can get there, guys. As long as you have armor, I'll keep putting. Oh no. Yeah, making this guy bigger was a mistake. What I'm thinking, I'm looking at this ascend. How's our bottom floor looking? You surviving? No, you're not. Is there a way to save you? Technically, yes. If we do this, and then this. You still die because there's sweep, so we just put one heal on you and you'll survive. Then we can play this down here as well. I don't know how we're going to deal with the top floor. 30x is my hopes and dreams here. Oh, we got 30. No, 30x doesn't work. No. Well, 30x works, it just doesn't. Oh. We're gonna die. Just 30x the hell out of that thing. Gonna deal 9 damage to the power. Enough 4 left. Oh, that's not what should have happened on this floor. There's no way to stop it. We can't stop it. It's happening. We're gonna die. It was fun to get the rage stuff popping. The rage stuff was fun. I guess we're just doing that again. I have the exact same one. Damn, if I could stop yawning. I think I need to make some coffee after this one. If I could stop yawning, that'd be great. And we had the imp combo, and it didn't even help. Yo. Yo. That's crazy. Let's go with that one. This is, I don't know what's been going on with my monster train. I do know is I've been bad, and I can completely confirm and acknowledge. Oh. Well, I hate those champ. Dude, like the only one you can play is the 15 HP one. Like, for realsies. That's the only one you can actually use. Yeah, sure. Give me Sting, although I have literally no Sting cards in my deck. Oh, I do actually. Wow. Planned it. I knew that was gonna happen. If we die now, I'm just gonna end the video. Maybe it's time for a sabbatical from this game. Now you guys go up, have a good time. Beat my pyre up. I don't mind. You don't mind why you're trying to stop them? Oh, shut up. And I'm done with this game. There's nothing I can do about that. There's literally nothing I can do. Like, how am I supposed to stop that attack? There's nothing I could do, dude. Yeah, I keep hitting the pyre. See if I care. Cool, doing 15 damage to the boss. 30 damage, not bad. Tell me what I should have done there. And then just saying, screw it, I'm playing all my units on the top floor, which is dumb. My mouse is quite comfortable. Just change the topic to something completely different. Yeah, hit me with that multi-strike Thorned Hollow. Why does that keep happening? Thorned Hollow and multi-strike showing up at the same time. You know, hit me with a reroll. No, there's nothing we have to upgrade. Why would I reroll? What's wrong with me? Am I mentally unstable? Yes, but that's not the point. Hit me with the challenges. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fight me. Make me suffer. Shut up. I don't want to say that Hellhorn's champions suck, but the Hellhorn's champion sucks. Trans do it. Is it enough? It's enough. I also don't like how cocky that card is. It just says, "Yay!" Oh, no, little mean boy. That is how you know that I've abandoned this floor. Like this, the champion is just weak. Like you can't. Generally, you can build your run or design your deck around the champion somewhat. I feel like with this Hellhorn champion, you can't design your deck around the champion. Now, how are we going to get this guy strong enough to actually get last hits? High damage for consistency or high damage multi-strike? Yeah, you know what? I'm quite curious. I'm just curious. I've always wanted to try it, and on an episode we've already gone 30 minutes, so how about we experiment a bit more? This deck is not win worthy. I can tell you that. If we die here, I wouldn't be surprised. So let's use this opportunity to learn a bit more. That was pretty good. You're both dying because you're attacking into him. It's unfortunate. Let's do this. Damning cans, man. Doing any of this would not work. Just leave it like that. Should be a kill for you. Ooh. Once again, unfortunate. It's not about how hard you get hit. No, it's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you get hit. And keep going. There's no way for us to stop that. It's again. That wasn't amazing, but that wasn't terrible. But the amount of damage on our champion is quite scary. 30 rage. It's a pretty terrifying number. Ooh. I've always wanted to try this card. But a 15 HP Thorn Hollow? This is probably not the way to do it, if we're being honest here. But it does restore to full, so just purely for the restore to full, we might be able to make something work there. And again, that guy, he was not the reason we lost the previous one. I'm taking capacity, okay? Energy is good, but capacity is just gooder, you know? Can you imagine the amount of people that just looked at me like gooder? Oh, come on. Come on. Multi-strike. Oh. You lucky son of a multi-strike. He's holding a floor by himself now, I guess. There isn't really... Like, large stone is too good in my book to not put on something if you have the space to play them. I really want to see what this champion's third level looks like. So when you're done with Fell. On-boss enemies gain multi-strike. You know what? Fight me. Your multi-strike will pale in power in comparison to my thorns. Oh, snap, and it consumes. I was about to be cheeky, but it consumes. Yeah, then let's not be cheeky. That's a big alpha fiend. Ladies and gentlemen, now that's a big alpha fiend. Dead. That is dead. This is now dead. This... How are you not... Oh, you didn't attack. This is now dead. I'm treating my thorns unit on the bottom floor as a cheap unit. That's what's happening here. No, you're dying. Oh, I wish this had double stack or something. That's right, turn ends. So X cards would be useful. I am ending quite a lot of my turns. With energy and stuff still left over, like that one. Doing 121. Doing 7 damage. If it gets that far, we at least have a backup plan now. Seems like it will be getting that far. So on 24 is... That gets us 1 extra attack. That gets us the kill? Jeez. Maybe that adaptive mutation wasn't a good idea. I really wanted to use it. Yes. Start of each turn? Dang. Dang. Hit me with a battering ram. Please don't hit me with an actual battering ram. I don't think that'll be a very pleasant experience. Oh, no, that sounds horrible. What have you done with it? No, hold on to it. I already thought giving up that unit would be a mistake, but it actually didn't really make much of a difference. Which is quite nice to know. In retrospect. Nah, take me this way. Yes. 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 Meme time. Oh yeah, baby. Look at him go. Look at that train steward boy. Oh, that train steward boy is gonna hit so hard. It's gonna be such a good time. Yeah. No. Why do I keep turning those on? It's like I want to. Losing at this game just makes me meme for the rest of my videos that I'm doing that day. I'd enjoy it. Becoming more meme. You know what? That was the perfect first turn draw. Only needed some healing for our bottom boy. Ooh, but why would you ask for some healing if you can have all? Yeah, y'all are dying. I don't think I need to do much. You can come out and support, and then we can pop that there. This will get you killed. This will get you healed. What's our spike sitting on? Ooh, 15. Reaching a dangerous point. How's you looking? Can use that to great effect there. Oh, but it's dying already. How about here? No, didn't get us a kill, you know, but... Oh, that did line us up for a kill eventually with a sting added in. My brain is just fried, guys. I feel like I need a nap. Oh, I should. Why would I take his strike away from him? That's stupid. Why would I take the slay away from my... Oh, that's stupid. Someone's just a real big dum-dum. $366, not bad, not bad, not bad. But does have sweep, which is problem. Because I didn't pay attention to that. 72 damage, that gets us the kill. Bang, baby. You judged my battering ram choice, didn't you? Then look at that. Okay, we don't need another battering ram. Yo, Bramble Lash, let's go. We can get like a 500 damage Bramble Lash, watch. Gonna be so good. I don't have a choice. Distinguish now does 50 damage? I guess. The funny thing is that's the unit I've been wanting to upgrade. I haven't upgraded anything on you, right? No, I did. Oh no, you get... No, they put a stupid thing here. So now there's one less stupid thing I can put there. Why am I avoiding the spell upgrade? You know me. How much remove that train stood? How mad would you have been? I would have been super mad. Hit me up with another awake. Yes, it would have been so nice if I could have upgraded that awake, you know? Doody doo. Oh yeah. Give me the pulley, the hook. I'm just taking cards right now. My brain is 1000% on sleepy autopilot. I don't know why I'm so tired. Don't have an answer for you. Just don't. But let's go. Quite excited to see where this one goes. Just autopilot brain, let's go. You need to go to the top. I want to put you there because that's an angry statue. Kinda need to put you there though. We'll just hit the angry statue. How about that idea? Okay, let's get you down there. Then let's get you down here. If I do 30 damage, nothing changes. Good. I'm glad I worked that out. Yeah, this game has actually made me lazy. I won't deny that this game has made me insanely lazy. Is there a way that I could? There is technically a way that I could. But not everyone is living. So let's work on that first. 5 and 7. I can do this to keep him alive. Problem solved. Then I can do this to destroy the statue. Yeah. And I can get this transferred out here. I forgot to solve the puzzle on the top floor. 14 damage, not the end of the world. This is problem. And there's no way to solve problem. Yeah, there's no way to solve problem. Puzzling turning 4 damage. There is ways to solve problem. Is it fun? No, it's not fun. Why would you do that, Pauly? Well, my thinking is you can gain attack. And we can just do that again after using one of our Healy boys. Okay, you're not surviving anymore. You need 32 HP to survive. You're pretty close though. You're not surviving at all. You need 10 HP to survive. So we can't use any of our big, nice heals anyway. We have to kind of like split them up. So that keeps you alive. And this keeps you alive. No, it does not. How about I do this? And then I'm receiving a phone call. And then from where? Nope, don't know the number. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. I can't save the champion, and the champion's the one that's been winning us these fights. How about you stop calling me after I don't answer the first time? That's a brilliant idea. Oh, wow. We can do this to solve this problem. Followed by this. Then here we can do both of these to solve that problem. And we can put that one. Oh, I should have used that on the middle floor. I don't know why I just randomly played it. Awake? Awake is here. Good lord, stop calling me. Jesus. Generally, when you call someone twice and they don't answer the phone, it means they're not going to answer the phone. How do we do this? I thought this was the relentless wave. So I was like, how are we going to solve this intricate problem? 93? Are you kidding me? Is that all I'm getting is 93? Well, let's start with it. How are we looking over here? Yeah, you'll die eventually. Get all the stings out. 93. This will get you 2 extra attacks. 249. I was really hoping that we'd draw the bramble thing there, to be completely honest with you. Get the stings out. I think that needs to go there, and that's all we do. Okay, so Lourdes and Jerusalem. I believe we are dead. Is the correct term for that? Deceased. It's just 10 damage. No, 5 HP, so 50 damage. That 5 HP does keep you alive for nothing. No, it gets you an entire extra attack in. But this allows you to deal and what damage? I'm pretty sure no matter which way around you play this, it doesn't actually change anything. We made it to Foul with this Womcom deck of mine, but I think I need to take a sabbatical from Monster Train for a while, because this is not working anymore. And I need to figure out who the hell just tried to call me 4 times in the past 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.